What's up, YouTube? It's Home Drone in here. Um, got an unboxing today from a very good friend, and I want to share it with you guys. So hold tight, and we'll see what it's all about. Okay, here we go. Like I said, this is from a very good friend, and I really appreciate what this guy has done. And anyway, okay, let's show you what we got. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Look what he did, Audrey.
Are you recording?
Yes. Oh my God. Wow. This guy is something else. Look, guys. I mean, he got some frames in here. Scott, you're the greatest, man. You are the greatest. Oh, look at here. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Scott. Brother. Man. Man, you're killing me, man. You're really killing me. Oh, gracious. Scott, man, look at this. And I was wanting one of these. I mean, that's for real. Look at this. One of his homegrowns. Okay, great deal, brother. Great deal. Homegrown antenna. He's amazing. 4 motors. Look at that. Let's find the other 2. Oh, I can do me a build, y'all. I can do me a build. Four motors. And I will do me a build. I'm going to take one of these. Y'all need to head over there to Scott Gibbons. Yeah. Wow. Oh, okay, I see. He put this, had this connected on to the jumper. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to try that out. And a lot of canopies here. A couple of different sizes look like. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna have to close out, y'all, because my phone is getting full. The storage is getting full. So Scott, you the man. I appreciate you, man. You are a true friend. All right, man, I am ecstatic. Y'all have a blessed day. By the way, y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all this. It came from Scott Gibbons. Some different style of frames and canopies. This is his design. So y'all check him out. Have a blessed day.
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen it. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.